Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I'm so excited that you're here, and without any further delay, we will begin our today's practice. So let's go on our mats, everyone. Today we are practicing, it's a fun class, okay? We are practicing balancing, we're practicing some stability work, we're practicing a lot of control, coordination, all by being mindful and by being present. So I will be challenging you a bit here and there, but it's going to be very, very fun. Think of today's class as a simple, fun practice. If you don't feel something is not happening, don't stress about it. Okay? आज की practice हम बहुत ही simple और fun रखेंगे in a sense that you just smile throughout the practice without stressing about the pose. So the poses in itself are not hard, बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, but सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. तो कोशिश करें कि आप आज जो भी मैट पे करें with utter mindfulness. Okay, you are very, very present and you approach it with an open heart and open mind. Okay, let's start a practice with a core activation drill. तो हम अपने कोर को एक्टिव करने के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा मूवमेंट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे विच विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास. बैलेंसिंग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपका स्टमक कनेक्टेड हो, आपका कोर कनेक्टेड हो. So we'll do a nice activation drill for that. First watch and then we can practice it together. Okay, we will lie down comfortably on the mat in this base position. I call this the base starting position. आपके legs bent होंगे, your feet will be under the knees, hands by your side. From there you will start this movement by going here, which is basically your hand above the shoulder, your knee above the hip. Okay, make sure you're aligned here. Make sure your lower back is touching down on the floor. Keep watching everyone. Okay, this is important. Keep watching. This exercise is called dead bugs. Okay, a beautiful exercise to activate the deep muscles of your core. आपके stomach को active रखने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी exercise है. For this, right hand, left leg, पीछे, back. Left hand, right leg, पीछे, and back. Basically, you're just tapping, okay? You're tapping the floor with your foot and you're tapping the floor back with your hand. Simple. We'll only do 10 reps of it. Here, you really need to focus on that connection with the stomach. You really need to connect your lower body with your upper body by using the stomach, by using the core. And you also have to try to coordinate the movement because remember, आज की class सिर्फ balancing नहीं है. It's about stability, control, and coordination also. We are also training our brain as we train our body. Okay, let's start. Let's practice it together. Ready? We go out and in. 2 and in. Slowly tap, okay? 3, try to coordinate. In. 4, all attention on your stomach. 6, in, together. 7, in. 8, in. 9, in. Last time. 10, in, and relax. Take a short break, breathe. This is a very good work to bring awareness to the inside of the core, okay? Not just your superficial layer of the muscles, but the deeper, the intrinsic layer of your core. People who are heavy users of the lower back, अगर आप if you're someone who constantly has lower back pain, अगर आपको spine की lower back part में बहुत pain होता है usually in your daily activities, then these things, core activation drills, बहुत ही help करेगा आपको. We'll do this once more. I'm also giving you an advanced variation now. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do that, or you can continue doing this simple variation. For this, you'll do the same thing except that आप अपने leg को बाहर की तरफ भी ले जाएंगे. So instead of tapping the foot down on the mat, you will take the leg back and then center. This is slightly more advanced, so only do it if you're comfortable. Otherwise, you can do the previous variation. Let's practice 10 more reps, everyone, slowly. 3, 2, 1, we go out and in. Take your time, okay? 2, the slower, the better. 3, together. Beautiful, everyone. 4, mindfully, okay? Very slowly. 5, 6, 7, beautiful, everyone. 8, keep pushing the lower back down. 9, last one. 10, and we relax. Take a short break, everyone. Rest, breathe. You can open the legs if you want to. Good job. The name of this exercise is called TED Bugs. We just practiced 2 variations of it. Excellent way of connecting the whole body up, which is why we started our practice with this movement. So your stomach is now connected to the rest of the body. Breathe, take a short break. Good job. And everyone, sit back up. Let's watch the next thing. अब आपका stomach active है. Now we can try some balancing also. We can try some stability and balancing. So watch this next thing. It's pretty much similar to what we just practiced. Okay. We will now go to our all fours. You'll keep your toes curled here. Okay. हाथों को shoulder के नीचे, घुटनों को hip के नीचे. This time you will pick up your left arm. You'll keep looking down. And you will also pick up your right leg. Now that's the challenging bit, okay? So अपने left arm और right leg को pick करेंगे and you'll try to hold this position for me. Just watch. If this is too hard, if it doesn't happen, let's say आप नहीं कर पाते हैं ये, you can only pick up the arm and you can maybe pick up the knee slightly. Okay, that's another variation. So if you feel you cannot straighten the leg, no problem. You can just pick up the knee half a centimeter away from the floor. We'll try to hold this for 10 counts each and we'll do it twice. Okay, this is called a bird dog hold. This is just us holding one arm and one leg, the opposite pair together. Excellent work to again connect the stomach and to find a lot of stability and control in the body. Everyone, let's begin. This is going to be very, very fun. 3, 2, 1, we go left arm and right leg together slowly. Keep looking down on the mat. Make sure you're not unnecessarily arching from the lower back. You keep your stomach in, your arm and ear connected. Stay. Hold, hold, hold. And gently come back. Breathe. Ready for the other side? Let's go. You pick up the right arm slowly, left leg, and you try to hold. जो हाथ और घुटना नीचे फ्लोर पे टच कर रहा है, you have to make sure that you're really pushing it down. Okay, hence creating a strong push, a strong base. Keep holding. Stomach engaged. Very mindful of your back not arching. आपको आपका lower back use नहीं करना है. You have to use your stomach instead. And we slowly come back and rest. We take 3 breaths here. Release. Good job, everyone. Today's practice is all about this only, right? We are working on a lot of balancing. हम test कर रहे हैं how much are you connected from the body, from the mind, from the breath. So you can sync it all together and you can do things like these, okay? This requires a lot of focus and concentration. So really try to be very, very present from the mind also. Because अगर आपका mind कहीं और पे है, if you're thinking about the past or the future and just physically being here, then that's not enough. Okay, so let's try to incorporate all our mental energy also on the mat. Let's practice it once more in our all fours. Everyone ready? We go right arm, left leg, pick, and you stay there. It's absolutely fine if you're not able to do this. You can do the simpler variation of just picking the knee up. Stay. Keep looking down on the mat. Attention on the supporting leg, supporting hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and center. One deep breath, everyone. Ready? Last time, other side. We go left arm, right leg pick. Keep the stomach intact. Hold. Connect your hand, shoulder, hip, knee, foot. All of these 5 things in one line, okay? So, आपका hand, आपका shoulder, your hip, your knee, your foot in one line. Stay for 3, 2, 1 and gently relax. Rest, breathe. Amazing. Good job. In case your hands are hurting a bit because you just held the pose for 10 counts, shake the hands out. Give yourself a good massage here. Okay? Don't worry about your hands. We're only getting stronger day by day with Times Health Plus.